Welcome to Tentworld Warana, your solar experts. I'm Jordan, and today we'll be dealing with the Projecta 120 watt solar panel. Monocrystalline, so you know you're going to get the right power. This bad boy can power anything up to 120 amp battery within about 4 to 5 hours. It's great for running a 50, 60 litre fridge to get you going. As we can see here, we've got the 10 amp PWM controller, which is perfect from getting the power from this panel into your battery. The Projecta 120 watt panel comes with a carry case, so it's nice and easy to get around, and adjustable legs, so you know you're going to get the right pitch for your sun. What we've got here is a 5 metre alligator lead with the alligator clips at the end here that just plug straight into your 12 volt socket. Fantastic. Nice and easy. Simple as that.